Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. We are up in Michigan for the week. Gonna be celebrating Christmas with Jason's family. Got the fire going.
Hey.
This is what I used to look like pre-engagement. Somehow I made it on the wall before we were even engaged. Say hi to the vlog, Riley. Are you so excited to be in Michigan? Are you so excited? This one, oh my gosh. Oh, I die. This one is goals. So where are we at? We're at Natural Order. They've got like thrifted clothes and like all these really cool like knickknacks, and then they also have plants. Really, really cute. Little picnic basket with wine holders. So cute. Suitcases, and then there's more plants over here. Look at this. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I wish we could keep this alive because this is like my dream plant. So all their clothes are 50% off today. What is that? A skirt? That's very cool. We're gonna show you what we got. Go first?
Sure. So I got this. It's very like see-through. It's like almost linen-y. A little blue tie-dye.
Cool. Very cool.
I like, yeah, just like the breeziness of it.
I got these vintage Levi's that are actually, I'm pretty sure they're gonna fit. They're only $5 though. That's like Goodwill prices.
That's good. Like better than Goodwill.
Better than Goodwill. And yeah, they were like, she like sourced all her stuff. So they look really cute in the back. Look really cute in the front, and they're just dope. Like, look at this.
And then I got pants. I got these fun, it's almost like a burnt red. It's kind of like it looks more orange in the camera, but it's like a red. And they're just a fun, like, straight leg pant.
That's right.
Or like, I'm like, not much description. Pretty simple, but hopefully they fit me.
No,
they look
cool.
fun.
Those are cool. It's a good color.
Yeah.
All right, I also got a plant! I think it's called a variegated rubber tree plant. I have the OG rubber tree plant and it's like huge. And I wanted to get a bigger one, but these are like a little bit more expensive because they're more rare. So this one was only $7 though, so I'm gonna grow this into a tree. In 10 years, it will be the size that I want. So
okay,
great.
now the sun's out. Golden hour. So then the last thing I got were these like...
Those are awesome.
They're like white cream jeans.
Those are really cool.
They're fun, just like a straight leg. Pretty
Perfect
plain and
cream
simple.
color, honestly.
I know, I love the color
And
of
they're
it.
cool because they have this like cream stitching, which I think makes it cool. Yeah.
I love it. Good stuff.
Who is it? Who's the scary man?
Get him, Rod. Get him. Who is it?
Boom dog. Boomer.
What's up, Boom?
This is Jason's family dog, Boomer. Old man.
He can't hear you. Yeah.
He's deaf, but he's kicking. We're doing a gingerbread competition with the extended family over Zoom, and this is our layout. So right now we're cutting the house up. All right, so this is our finished house. We've got a little walkway, little hanging light, and then this little rooftop hanging spot, snowy roof, Christmas lights, all the things. And then the back, we didn't really get to, but has floor to ceiling windows. All right, so now we are at Madcap. It's the next day, and it's actually just outside now because Michigan doesn't have indoor dining like at all. So we're sitting outside in 37-degree weather, and there's only one heater that works, but there's somebody over by it. So we're here in the tent.
We're gonna passively stare them down.
But it's cute. There's like little garland and whatever this thing is behind me, but it's very, very cold.
Got this bag of coffee from Rwanda. It's an all-woman-run co-op.
We come here literally every time. If you've ever watched any of our Michigan vlogs, we've probably been here every day. But we don't come here as often because obviously it's all outside. It's not the same vibe.
So my fond Madcap memory is actually from when I was in high school. I wasn't a coffee drinker, like early high school, my freshman year of high school. We were downtown doing something with my youth group or something, and we went into Madcap, and I got a mocha. And I went up to the barista 3 separate times and asked for more chocolate because it wasn't sweet enough, because I didn't really like coffee. I just wanted a hot chocolate, but I didn't want to be I didn't want to be uncool. So that's my first memory of Madcap.
And I have decided that we just really want a fireplace in our next house.
That's true.
It's our favorite part of coming up here. And Riley loves the fires. Yes, you do. You love the cozy fireplace. This is Jason's creation, the giant stump in the fire. Would you like to explain your thought process for the viewers?
I wanted to burn a big stump, you know?
Riley, do you love the fire? You love the fire. It's a Christmas Eve miracle! It's snowing! We didn't think it was gonna snow this year. Our first Christmas ever. Well, my first Christmas ever in Michigan, it snowed on Christmas Day. It's Christmas Eve, and we're out here walking the doggo. But it's so beautiful. It's so quiet when it snows. On under my sweatpants, my Everlane puffer, and my dogs that Joe's got me for Christmas last year. Riley, do you love the snow? She's thriving. Yay! We are doing the annual family Christmas craft where Lindsay comes up with the craft, and today it's pillowcases.
Pillowcase roulette.
Pillowcase roulette. So we're gonna be rotating all the pillows to the next person and drawing on each other's. I don't know.
Oh wow, it really is a face puzzle.
Face puzzle.
That's what we're gonna do now. It's our 1,000-piece puzzle this year.
Jay was just starting the fire. Get it, babe. Every year we do a Christmas craft, which you guys just saw, and then we'll do fondue with the family, and then watch a video, like a home video from, I think they're like 6 years behind. So we're gonna be watching the 2014 home video, which is the first video that I'm in, because that was the first time I ever came up to Michigan, which was very shortly after Jason and I started dating. So Waz is plugging in the fondue pots, and then these are the plates we made. This one's mine. This is Jason's from, I don't know what year this is, but he likes Apple, baseball, and music. And what is this, a back symbol, babe?
Burton,
Oh, snowboarders. Show us your plate. The world of sport. It's Christmas! We've got our matching onesies on. We're in the living room with Jason's mom and Riley. Merry Christmas, Riley!
Riley girl. Hello.
I like your outfit.
Thanks.
I'll show you guys really quick what I got for Christmas. These essential oils for my new Vitruvi diffuser. Jason's mom got us all these tiny pans. You guys know I'm obsessed with pans, so this is the best thing ever. And then his sister got these really cute earrings from Nisolo, which was a total surprise. She picked them out, which are really, really cute. I love those. And then I got this book that I heard about this author on a podcast called Atomic Habits, and I'm really excited to read that. Some Madewell socks. I'm so bummed our Brita is disgusting, so I asked for a new water filter, and this one's really pretty, so I can link that one down below. And then I got this pretty new dish rack for our kitchen, which I think will look so much better and replace our old one. And then Jaywa's got some sneakers. We're out on our Christmas walk and we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed spending Christmas with us. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.